Hello and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. In this video, we are going to understand how computers organize and manage data using something called a file system. Have you ever wondered how your computer finds your photos, documents, or videos so quickly? That is because of the file system. Let's understand this step by step. A file is a piece of data stored on a computer. It can be a document, image, video, or any type of information. A folder is used to organize files. It acts like a container that helps keep related files together. Now comes an important concept called a path. A path tells us the exact location of a file inside the computer. It is like an address that helps the system find the file quickly. Let's understand this with a simple analogy. Think of a library. Books in the library are like files. Shelves are like folders. And the location of a book in the library is like the file path. Without proper organization, it would be very difficult to find anything. In the same way, the file system keeps everything organized inside a computer. Let's look at a simple example. A file path may look like this: C drive, users, documents, file.txt. This means the file is stored inside the documents folder, which is inside the users folder located in the C drive. So whenever you open a file, the computer follows this path to find it. The file system also helps in creating, deleting, copying, and moving files and folders. Without a file system, managing data would be very difficult and confusing. To summarize, a file stores data, a folder organizes files, and a path helps us locate them. If you found this helpful, subscribe to TechRoots by Roat and continue your learning journey.